Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Motorola Moto G87. First, toggle Wi-Fi off and on in the settings. So, go into the settings, then network and internet, and turn the Wi-Fi off and on. Now you should be connecting to a Wi-Fi network. We are connected. If it's still not working, press the gear icon on the network, click Forget, then connect to the same network by entering the password. Click Connect. As you can see, it's obtaining the IP address, so we are connected. If it's not working for you, restart your router and your phone. To restart the router, find a switch on the back to turn it off and on. For the phone restart, press the power button and volume up button, then tap Restart. Once the phone and router are restarting, I'll see you in a second when it's done. After the restart, check for software updates as a last resort. So you're on the latest software version. Swipe down and go to System Updates, then click Check for Updates. It checks automatically, so you should be on the latest version. I am on the latest version, and make sure you are too to avoid glitches on your device. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.